me.
Welcome back, babes. I am doing my 4th annual Real Women of YouTube Secret Santa. And here's my package. When I first got it, I was like, oh, this is going to be a book, but it's not a book. It's actually gifts in here. So I almost opened it and forgot to record it. So good thing I caught myself. So it says, to Alex from my Secret Santa. I hope you enjoy all the presents I bought you. Wishing you a Merry Christmas to you and your family. Who can I be? Who am I? Your Secret Santa, Orly C. There is a playlist that will be in the description box, and you guys should definitely click on that so you can watch everybody else's video. Support all of us. Anyway, today's my birthday, 12/23. I think this won't be showing until Christmas Day. But happy birthday to me. I made it another year, and it was not easy. So anyway, let's get into this. I got a face mask because I need face masks in my life. And this is a maca root face mask. Awakens tired or dull skin, strengthens for a plump, bouncy texture, and reveals unparalleled glow. So I got that. And then let's see what's in here. Oh, it's candy in here.
Skittles.
2 bags of Skittles that my kids will probably eat. And let's see what's in here. At least she can rap. I can't rap for my life. Oh my goodness. You know what's so funny? I was in another Secret Santa thing with like some friends from high school. And someone got me this same case. But I love this case, so it's okay. Thank you anyway.
Dad, what you do?
Please close the door.
Yes.
Go.
Close the door.
Go.
No, you're interrupting.
Go, Daddy.
And the last thing I got, some pair of socks. Let's see what they say. It says, ouch. Bring me Starbucks. I love Starbucks. This is hilarious. Thank you. I should wear these all the time because I need Starbucks in my life. Anyway, thank you, Orly. I will try to have some Skittles for myself, but that probably won't work out. And I just want to know, how did you know what size case to get? Like, how did you know what phone I had? Did I say that in the video and you watched, or what? And it's crazy because I have it on my phone right now. Oh, wow. Backwards. But I love this, like, the little detail for the loop. Because I drop my phone all the time, if you can tell. Let me see. All the cracks on my screen, look at that. It's horrible. But I loved my gifts, and I hope you love your gifts as well. And happy holidays to yours from mine. I need a thumbnail.
Oh, hey.